Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Mango Power. I'm introducing the ultimate power source designed to keep your home running smoothly, even during unexpected outages. The creators behind this innovative device understand the importance of protecting your home, which is why they've developed Mango Power to be your reliable backup battery. With a hefty capacity of 6.9 kilowatt-hours, Mango Power boasts one of the best performances in the home power supply market. Just imagine, you can charge your smartphone a whopping 460 times, keep your fridge running for 7 hours straight, or binge watch your favorite TV shows for nearly 63 hours. But that's not all. Mango Power is equipped with a whopping 19 different ports to cover all your needs, from USB ports to outlets for electric cars. Plus, it features 2 wireless panels for hassle-free smartphone charging. And here's the cherry on top. Mango Power utilizes state-of-the-art technology to recharge its battery to full capacity in just 2.5 hours. So, you can rest assured that you'll never be left in the dark when you need power the most. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.